Welcome to Don Carinderia series. Today we're going to cook something from our Carinderia theme. This is the sweet and spicy Adobong Sitaw. Usually, Adobong Sitaw uses small pork slices, but in this version, we're going to use ground pork. Let's prepare the ingredients. Anything adobo calls for garlic, lots of garlic. So we're going to mince our garlic first. When slicing garlic, be sure to remove the root end. When cutting vegetables or meat, be sure to sharpen your knife beforehand. Slice your garlic into tiny little pieces. Next, we're going to dye some onions. After removing the skin, cut it in half and then slice one vertically. Rotate 90 degrees and make your slices again. Next, we're going to prepare our string beans. Whenever I cut string beans, I use my kitchen scissors because it's a lot easier than a knife. I got this bowl from a Japanese store at the mall, and you see it has the strainer, so it's very convenient when you're cutting veggies and you need to wash them, and it's a bowl, so it's all in one. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Let's start cooking. First, we need to brown our ground pork. On medium heat, we will cook our ground pork. When you see that it's not pink anymore, add your minced garlic. Let your garlic get infused with the oil. Make sure not to burn your garlic. We'll add in our onions next. One thing I learned from watching a lot of MasterChef episodes is that we need to season our food from the start. This helps to develop the flavor more. And my advice, add some fish sauce. It adds some umami flavor to your dish. And since we want it spicy, add some chili flakes. And then add our soy sauce. I'm not adding vodka to my adobo. This is just water. This adobo is sweet and spicy. So for the first part, let's add some brown sugar. After adding your vinegar, don't mix it yet. Let it boil. And when you're already smelling the acidity, that's the time you can mix it. Lastly, we'll be adding our sitaw. Cook for about 5 more minutes and you're done. I prefer my sitaw to be on the crunchy side, so it's up to you on how cooked you want the beans to be. I love how crunchy the veggies are. It is also sweet and spicy, perfectly splendid. So this is our classic sweet and spicy adobong sitaw. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel.